You know that feeling when you open your car door on a summer afternoon and it's like walking into a volcano? Your steering wheel's melting your fingerprints, the seatbelt's branding your thigh, and that first breath of air feels like you've inhaled a hairdryer. So you do what any sane person would: crank the AC to max, and nothing, just a warm, limp breeze that mocks you. Now you're thinking, that's it, compressor's gone, I'm doomed. Where's my wallet? But hang on, here's the twist. In most cases, your AC isn't broken. It's just being strangled by tiny, fixable problems. And today, we're going to fix them. I'll show you 8 clever, proven, budget-friendly AC hacks. That'll turn your car from sauna to snowstorm. Most take under 10 minutes, and none will break the bank. So grab some shade, hit that subscribe button, and let's bring back that polar breeze your car deserves. 1. The condenser cleanup. Let's start with the number 1 AC killer that 9 out of 10 drivers forget about: the condenser. That metal radiator-looking thing behind your front bumper. That's where your AC dumps heat from the refrigerant. But after a few summers, it's usually wearing a crust of dirt, bugs, and road grime so thick, it might as well be a winter sweater. When that happens, your system can't breathe. The refrigerant stays too hot, your cabin never cools down, and your compressor ends up working overtime, or giving up entirely. Here's how to fix it. Let your engine cool off completely. Then grab a garden hose or pressure washer. But keep it gentle. We're not cleaning a driveway here. Rinse the condenser slowly from the front. Use a soft detailing brush for the sticky stuff, and watch the grime melt away. It takes 5 minutes, costs nothing, but it can boost cooling instantly and add years to your AC's life. Cut to slow motion water spray over condenser fins. Upbeat music sting. Basically, you just gave your AC a breath of fresh air, literally. 2. Kill the mold, disinfect your inlet and vents. Let's talk about that funky smell that shows up every time you hit the AC. You know, that wet sock meets locker room vibe? That's not old car smell. That's mold thriving inside your AC inlet and vents. See, your car pulls air in from a vent just below the windshield. Leaves, dust, moisture, it all piles up there. And when moisture lingers, mold starts throwing a rave inside your ductwork. You don't need a shop visit. Here's the home fix. Pop the hood and locate your AC inlet, usually right under the windshield wipers. Clear out visible debris with a brush or small vacuum. Now, remove your cabin air filter. We'll talk more about that later. With the fan on low and windows down, spray an AC disinfectant or specialized vent cleaner directly into the inlet. Let the fan circulate it for a few minutes. That mist travels through the entire system, killing mold, mildew, and bacteria. Bonus tip: do it on a dry day, not a humid one. Dry air keeps the mold from coming back. B-roll: mist swirling through vents, clean air visuals. This one step not only makes your car smell better, it helps your AC breathe better, and you breathe better too. 3. Don't fight the sun. Vent before you cool. Here's something people get wrong every single summer. You get into your car, it's scorching hot, so you slam the door, hit the AC, and pray. That's like trying to air condition a pizza oven. It's not going to work. Inside temps can soar past 120 degrees Fahrenheit, 49 degrees Celsius, after just half an hour in the sun. And when you trap that heat inside, your AC has to battle it from scratch, which means slow cooling, wasted gas, and unnecessary strain on your compressor. Here's the smarter move. Before you touch the AC, open every door or window for 30 seconds. Let the heat escape naturally. Then, start the engine. Set your AC to its coldest temperature, but leave the fan on low. Let the system balance out for a few moments. After about 20 seconds, close the front windows. Keep the rears cracked slightly, and then crank the fan speed. 15 seconds later, close them all. You've just outsmarted physics. Your car will cool down twice as fast with half the fuel. Cut to visual, infrared camera showing rapid temp drop. It's the difference between a system that's fighting heat and one that's commanding cold. 4. The secret button, recirculation mode. There's a tiny button in your car that almost nobody understands. A little arrow looping in a circle, that's recirculation mode, and it's your AC's best-kept secret. Normally, your system pulls in outside air, cools it, then blows it inside. Fine on mild days. But when it's 100 degrees out, that's like trying to refrigerate lava. Recirculation mode says, forget the outside world. It reuses the air you've already cooled, making the system far more efficient and easier on your compressor. Experts say it can boost cooling by 10 to 20%, especially in city traffic. Pro tip, if your windows fog up, switch it off temporarily to bring in dry air. And if you've got passengers in the back, alternate every few minutes, so the whole cabin gets even cooling. B-roll, icon animation, airflow diagram, before, after cabin temp display. Think of it like your AC's turbo mode. Once you start using it right, you'll never go back. 5. The forgotten filter, your cabin's gatekeeper. Now, let's talk about something small but mighty. The cabin air filter. If the condenser is your AC's lungs, the cabin filter is the nose. And right now, it's probably full of dust bunnies. Over time, this filter clogs with dirt, pollen, bugs, and city grime. That means weak airflow, nasty smells, and uneven cooling. The fix is laughably simple. Open your glove box. Most cars have a removable panel behind it. Pop out the old filter, slide in a fresh one. They cost about $15 to $20 and take 5 minutes to replace. Do it every 12,000 to 15,000 miles, or once a year if you drive in dusty areas. Clean filter equals stronger airflow, colder air, and healthier breathing. Insert close-up of dirty versus new filter. It's like letting your AC take a deep, satisfying breath for the first time in months. 6. Fight the sun. Park smart. Your AC might be great, but it can't fight the sun alone. When it's 85 degrees Fahrenheit outside, your car's interior can reach 130 degrees Fahrenheit in just 30 minutes. That's hotter than some ovens. So, play defense. Whenever possible, park in shade, under trees, buildings, or even billboards. If shade's not an option, grab a reflective windshield sunshade. They cost less than $10 and can drop interior temps by up to 40 degrees Fahrenheit. That's a massive head start for your AC. If you're leaving your car for a while, crack the windows slightly, just enough to let air circulate, but not enough for anyone to reach in. Shot of parked cars, one under a tree, one in full sun. Thermal overlay comparison. It's the difference between your AC fighting a battle and your AC cruising in peace. 7. Recharge. Give your AC its breath back. Here's one people overlook. Refrigerant doesn't last forever. Even sealed systems leak tiny amounts over time. And once it's too low, your AC can't create the cold pressure it needs. Symptoms? Cool air, but not cold. Compressor clicking on and off. Or worse, total silence. Before you spend $300 at a shop, try a DIY recharge. You can buy a recharge kit for under $40. Look for cans labeled R134A, standard for most cars built before 2017. Follow the instructions carefully. Attach the gauge to the low-pressure port and refill until the needle sits in the green zone. And here's a pro tip. Don't overfill. Too much refrigerant can actually hurt cooling performance. Once topped off, you'll feel that crisp, frosty air again. Like your car just remembered what summer survival feels like. 8. Coolant connection, the hidden saboteur. This last one surprises a lot of drivers. Your engine coolant, yes, the stuff meant for your engine, can actually affect your AC. If your coolant level drops too low, your engine overheats, and your car's computer may disable the AC entirely to protect itself. So if your AC suddenly goes warm out of nowhere, don't panic. Check your coolant first. When the engine is cold, open the hood and look at the coolant reservoir tank. The level should be between min and max. Top it off with the correct fluid. It's labeled right there on the cap. If you're topping off frequently, you've likely got a leak. Fix that before it snowballs into a $7,000 repair. Keep the engine cool and your AC will stay chill too. So there you have it, 8 smart, simple habits that transform your car's AC from sluggish to supercharged. From cleaning and filtering to parking smarter and topping off fluids, each step adds up to better cooling, better fuel economy, and fewer breakdowns. Your car works hard for you every day. A little AC love goes a long way. If this video helped you stay cool, drop a comment telling us your favorite tip, hit that like button, and subscribe for more no-nonsense car care wisdom. Until next time, stay frosty, drive safe, and never fear the summer sun again.